Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today. Are you ready to shift into high gear? Well, if you're looking for a thrill that won't break the bank, you might want to look no further than this remarkable home-built EV race car. Meet the Apex Cricket EV, powered by a Gen 3 Nissan Leaf motor cranking out 214 horsepower. That's plenty of oomph for its 1,700-pound frame. But don't let its lightweight body fool you. It's got the speed to match, with acceleration that'll leave you breathless on those tight autocross tracks. Now, what makes this car truly unique is the clever way its creator has harnessed the power of a Nissan Leaf motor. The original transmission was swapped out for a 6-speed gearbox from a Nissan Maxima, complete with an integrated limited-slip differential. But here's the catch. Without a clutch in the mix, you can't shift gears while driving. That means this car runs on just one gear throughout its sprint, making it perfect for short autocross runs. But that's not all, folks. The suspension, steering, and brakes are straight from a C5 Chevrolet Corvette, giving the Apex Cricket EV the agility and handling of a real racing machine. And with its 16 kilowatt-hours of energy stored in several 60-volt modules sourced from the Chrysler Pacifica hybrid minivan, it's got enough juice to go for around 100 miles on the street. The best part? This entire project was done by hand, right in the garage. The creator spent less than a year tinkering away until this masterpiece was ready to roll. And what did it set you back? A mere $20,000. That's cheap compared to the prices we see in professional racing circuits. So if you're dreaming of hitting the track on a budget, take a page out of this creator's book. With some elbow grease and creativity, it is possible to build an EV race car that's both fun and affordable. That's what makes the Apex Cricket EV such an inspiring example proof that with determination and passion, anything is possible. Thanks for joining us on Electro Drive News. Until next time, keep driving electric.